Okay, we're gonna start with dramatic marching. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go opposite, opposite arm, dramatic marching here. Press and switch. Nice. I don't have a timer going, so we're just gonna play it by ear. Switch, or play it by body. Couple more on each side. Good, last one here. All right, now we're going to go into our cactus bends. So feet are in parallel position in a nice lunge. Arms here in cactus, inhale, exhale, press arm overhead, overhead, and come back to center. And a press. Inhale, center. Beautiful stretch. Inhale, and a press. And center. Two more each side. And in, and press. Good, one more each side. And center, last one. Other side, step forward and back. Okay, here we go. And up and over. Find your center, and a press. Inhale, out, and in, and a stretch. Three more on each side. Press, and center, and out. Whoa, geez, and in. One more each side. And last one. Nice. All right, now we're gonna do our grand plies. So that's the one where we have your toes turned out to the side and feet are turned in. We're going to be in this nice squat position. We're gonna bend or lift one heel up and then bounce to the other side. Press and in. Whew. Good, and 4. Good, and 5. And in, and 6. Lower, and 7. Inner thighs are firing, and 8. Good, 9. I think we'll do 20 reps of each thing since we're not timing. And 10. 10 more. 10, and 9. 8, and 7. Keep going, I know it burns. And 5. Beautiful. 4, and 3, and 2. Last one here. Whew. Okay, relax for just a second. Shake out the legs. Hopefully your quads and your inner thighs are burning right now. Okay, now we're gonna take it down onto the mat. So go ahead and lay on your back. It's probably been like 25 seconds by now. And we're going to lift your legs in tabletop position. Reach up to the ceiling, nod the chin, flex it forward. We're gonna extend the legs. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to redo this. Okay, we go 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. We're going up to 100 or 10 breaths. So 2, 3, 4, 5 more sets. Good, and 6. Beautiful. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 6, 7, 8. 2 more sets, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees, lower the head, relax for a second. Whew. Okay, side skating pulses, alternating after 3 pulses. Okay, coming back up to our standing position. Gonna kick that out of the way. We're going to sit in a squat. Extend one leg out, and we're pulsing 2, 3, and then coming back up to center. We go 1, 2, 3, come back to center. Okay, ready? Let's get started in about 5 seconds. Whew. All right, sitting in your squat, kick the leg out. We go 1, 2, 3, stand up straight, and a 1, 2, 3, stand up straight. Good, 2, good, and up, and a 2. We're going up to 5, and 3, 2, 3, find your center, 3, good, 2 more sets on each side, and up, and 4, good, last one each side, 2, 3, find your center, last one. Whew. All right, now we're gonna take it back onto the mat. Let's go ahead and lay on your back again. Okay, back to our 100, but this time we're gonna do 100 with one leg out at a time. So, we're gonna do inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and then switch to the other leg. Okay, 5-ish seconds, and then we'll get started. Okay, reaching those arms up. Inhale here, exhale, flex forward. Extend one leg. We go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 2, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 4, 5, and 4. 2, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're halfway there. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 more sets. Woo. Good. Last one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees and relax. Nice job. Okay, we're gonna do our split squat around the world. Oh, this one burns. Okay, here we go. We're up to standing again, and we're going to. Our motion is regular grand plie squat. Dip the knee to face one way. Back to squat. Dip the knee to face the other way. Sometimes it's easier to do this without the mat, but go ahead and give it a try. 5-ish more seconds. Okay, let's come into our center grand plie. Ready? We're gonna go 10 and center and a 10 and center. Good. 9 and turn. Really rotating the pelvis. Good, and 3 and center and a 4. 4. Keep going. And a 5. Center. Keep the head back and align. 6. Oh my gosh, my legs are burning. 7. Center and 7. Good. And 8. And 8. And 9. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my form. Last one. Oh my gosh. Okay, relax there. Let your body relax. We're going into our swimming now. Okay, ready? On your backs, or sorry, your stomachs. Let's put that back. Okay, on your stomach, we're gonna do arms out and legs out. Lift the chest and the arms and legs. We're gonna go inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ready? Lift it up. We're gonna go inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 2, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 4, 5, 6. Good. 7. Whoa. Yes. 3, 4, 5, and 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 4, 5, and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Press through your hands and fold in a child's pose position. Nice job. That was our last exercise. Now we're going to go back up to standing and do our cactus bends and roll downs. Okay, let's do it. Parallel position with your legs. We're in a nice lunge. Arms here by your sides. And pressing up and over. Inhale and center. Up and over. Inhale, center. Good. 2. And in. And 2. Beautiful. One more each side. 3. And center. Last one. Perfect. Go ahead and press forward. Kick that leg back. Other side. Here we go. And 3. Inhale, center. Get that core nicely engaged. And in. And 2. And center. 2. Perfect. Last one each side. And press. And center. Come on up. We're going to do our last roll down together. So bend the knees, reach the arms overhead, nod the chin, and curve through each segment of the spine. Hang there at the bottom. Bend the knees and stretch them. Bend the knees and stretch them. Last one, bend to roll all the way back up through the spine. Arms overhead and circle down and around. And we're done for the day. Nice job. Okay, turning